Mababo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Heart Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Heart Pampanga community. For today's vlog, isa sa mga lagi naming natatanggap na katanungan sa Heart Pampanga page is, saan ba ang mga vegan restaurant? Lalo-lalo na po ngayong panahon natin na pandemic, may mga lockdown po tayo na sinusundan, protocols and everything. Most of the time, ang hinahanap na natin ngayon are yung mga take-out, deliveries, kain sa bahay. Good thing, ang nagpadala po ng pagkain natin for today is an all plant-based meat business. So ito po ang vegan at Heart Pampanga. So it started November 17, 2020 and right now ito po yung mga own products nila. They do also resell some products and let me just name them, no? Pampanga's Plant Meat Store, Bahay Kubo Kitchen, Butcher, and the Green Tummy Superfood. Available po sila via e-store or you can order these kinds of food sa kanilang Facebook and Instagram page. So, who would have thought yung mga pagkain natin today are plant-based? So, let me start with this one. Of course, ito yung pinaka sikat sa mga Kapampangan. Ito yung Sisig. But then again, guys, remember, this is 100% plant-based. Look at that. Wow. 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 Yaman, ha? You know what? I got to be honest, no? Taste-wise, for that sisig, it's 100% Kapampangan sisig. Tastes like sisig. Kahit nakapikit ka or nakabukas yung mata mo, it tastes like sisig. Of course, dahil nasanay tayo sa meat base, which is pork or sometimes chicken, siguro in terms of consistency, wala dun yung fat, of course. Wala dun yung fat, wala dun yung actual fiber meat. But taste-wise, if you're looking for healthy option and you want to, transition into a lot more healthier lifestyle. I'm not saying na it's unhealthy to eat pork sisig or chicken sisig. What I'm saying is, this is a much healthier option for your day-to-day sisig. Promise. This one is called Lumpiang Bangus. Look and smell-wise, I can't express it. Pero okay, let's just taste it, guys. So again, this is it. And wow. Wow. Yaman, ha? Actually, again, taste-wise, I have to give them a commendation, no? Kudos po sa so far, 2 dishes pa lang yung kinakain natin. Yung pagkakaluto and preparation niya for this kind of dish is para siyang chef caliber, no? Wow! They call it bacon. Vegan bacon. In terms of appearance, most probably I can say siguro mga 60%, it looks like a bacon. So this is my first try. Wow! Very smoky. For me, it has a little bit of parang pinch of bitter aftertaste. So this one is binuguan. Ayan, binuguan. So plant-based meat. This is the rendition, a vegan rendition of yung dinuguan natin. So yung nagpa-black dun sa color natin is coming from beans. Wow! You know what? Again, it tastes like dinuguan talaga siya, no? It's a little bit sour. Most probably, ang magiging observation nyo dito in terms of texture is, of course, yung ground beans, no? Para kang kumakain ng dinuguan at the same time, munggo. In my honest opinion, para siyang ganun. So next I wanna try is this chicken fillet and vegan jack nuggets. Meron tayong gravy dito. Let's taste it. Gravy. Oh, look at that. I mean, guys, who would have thought? Again, who would have thought? Look at the fiber. Parang na talaga siyang chicken meat. What's in the middle actually, guys, is what they call Lechon Kawali. Eto, that's it. Pero later, dun natin siya titikman. So this one is bangus relleno naman. Okay, let me taste it. Bangus relleno. Oh, wow! Ang galing, ha? yung pagkakarap ng bangus relleno natin. I think they use nori wrapper, I guess. Wow! Ang galing! What a brilliant idea. Although, again, you would really appreciate rellenong bangus. It's a little bit sour, citrus sa kalamansi. This time, you would really taste yung smoky flavor nung nori wrapper. So we also have Longganisa. Who would have thought? Longganisa. So let's dip it here. Dito na rin. Ang galing, ang galing. Longganisa is garlicky. Yung texture nung pinaka-core nung longganisa is similar to a pork with fat. It's very similar yung texture niya. And then yung overall taste, most probably para sa akin, 90 over 100%. 9 out of 10, it's really tastes like longganisa. This is the Tocino. It's vegan. Tocino vegan. Tastes like Tocino. Tastes like Tocino. So aside from the all-time favorite breakfast meal natin, meron din tayong tapa, which is this one. This would have been really good if merong suka, no? Okay, let's taste it. Oh wow. I would really love kung meron nga talaga siyang suka plus rice. Lastly to taste, this is their Lechon Kawali. Ayan. Wow! I mean, take a look at it. So parang meron siyang meat dito, and then dito sa bottom natin, it looks like it has fat, but it's not. So all of the food you saw here are vegan, 100% vegan, except for this one, of course. This is Mang Tomas. It's up to you guys. I mean, na-include lang namin to just to taste yung Lechon Kawali. I mean, paano yung similarity niya if we are eating a real Lechon Kawali and versus a vegan Lechon Kawali. Wow! Ang galing nito! Sobrang amazed ako, guys. Paano kaya nila ginawa to? Really, it's like you're eating a Lechon Kawali. There's the meat, there's the fat, but then again, 100% vegan. Alright, so there you have it, guys. At the end of the day, again, it's up to you guys. This is an option, lalong-lalo na po dun sa mga naghahanap ng a transition from the usual, meat eating natin to a vegan-based food. This is an option for you guys. Make sure to check out vegan at Heart Pampanga. Ayan, so available din sa page nila. These are from Green Tummy. So this is a chia seed, Spirulina powder. They also have cashew, parang mga mixed nuts. Ayan. All power foods, guys, available po sa Vegan at Heart Pampanga. For those of you who are asking us, this is the answer for you. 100% vegan food, only at Vegan at Heart Pampanga. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Tag mo yung friend mo or best friend mo na naghahanap ng ganitong pagkain sa Pampanga. It is now available. For more information, please check out the caption that we're gonna be included in this video. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, we hope to see you there and stay safe. Bye, guys.